Hello guys, we're gonna find some Lamborghini. It looks similar. We're gonna hunt. We're gonna hunt kind of sports car. So we're gonna steal here. So many vehicles. Hmm. Ha! So I found something here. It's too dark. Hmm. Where is the Lamborghini? Oh,
It's an
let's try that
emergency.
one.
I need your car.
What it looks like. Let's go faster. It wasn't fast. Let's gonna drift back, bro. Let's go. Only to overtake. Woohoo! It was so fast, and that's a brake test, bro. It was crashed. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1, go! So many polices. I was gonna jump the car! Whee! Oh my. Bro, I just crossed in a racetrack. It was so fast. One place. Yes! And goodbye. Look what job! Oh my god! No! What? So many places. Oh, got killed now! Yes! Oh, yes! I found the lever! What the heck? Yes, I'm hunting the Lamborghini. How would this be nice? Ah, so many stupid polices. Let's get it out! Oh, come on,
This is my car now.
go away, girl! Get out! Oh no! Okay, let's go try at the back. Oh, it's sick. Ah. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, stupid police cells. What the heck? Okay, let's try start here and try not to explode. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! No! Oh! Just gonna try to know. No! Oh! How rude is that? God's sake. Okay, I'm just fighting somewhere. Oh, still police's car. Get off! Ah, yes! Oh!
Nice car. I'll take it.
Yes! Ah! Die police! That's a ghost sound! Yes, I killed. Let's draw. Yes. Yes. restart. Ah, break already. Oh no! What? What just fall off? Yes! Yes! Yeah! No! Okay, guys. Our route is the stupid SWAT. Alright. And I dead so easily. And let's do the car
I need your car.
Thank you. Oh my god, bye! Ah, restart.